Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Facebook live chat for your site in Blogger. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Facebook live chat. So click here on sign up for free. You sign up with Facebook or Gmail or normal mail, it's really up to you. When you will have it, click on login. Right here, you want to write in search Facebook chat, create a widget. And now you can go with the general, with support, with booking. I really like the general one. Let's continue with the template. Now, when you have it, you need to just connect the Facebook. I'm not going to do that for now because I think it's not necessary. But I honestly recommend it to do that. So when you have it, go to settings. You can change also the position. Quite simple too. Also the style, changing the colors, and then just click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. You can start with a light one. If you're only starting out with your blog, go with that. But if you got 5,000, 50,000 views, choose a basic or pro version. That's just my recommendation. Also, they got all applications. Some of them you might like, so check them out too. When we have it, let's take a code. Let's go to theme. Let's click on three dots and edit HTML. Right here, you want to go to the 3217. Right here, div class page. Let's click enter and let's paste the code here. When we have it, let's click save. Now, when we got it, what do we want to do now? Is to showcase it. So we'll go customize. Right here, I will view blog. And voila, here we got a Facebook chat. Really simple, really easy. And this is how we actually do it. So also, if you like other applications like Facebook feed, YouTube gallery from L-Site, definitely check them out and choose then all applications so you don't need to pay a lot of money. So that's also really important, I think. Guys, if you have any questions, definitely ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.